The Burj Khalifa, in Dubai, is an amazing building. Standing at an astonishing height of 828 meters, it is the tallest structure in the world. This architectural marvel is a true testament to modern engineering and design. It is incredibly tall, soaring over the desert landscape. The Burj Khalifa dominates the skyline, offering breathtaking views of the city and beyond. Its sheer size and presence are awe-inspiring. Completed in 2010, it is more than just a skyscraper. The construction process itself was a monumental feat, involving thousands of workers and cutting-edge technology. The Burj Khalifa represents a significant milestone in architectural history. It is a symbol of human ingenuity and ambition, a testament to our ability to achieve the seemingly impossible. The intricate design and advanced engineering techniques used in its construction are truly remarkable. The Burj Khalifa is a global icon, drawing visitors from every corner of the world. People come to marvel at its height, explore its luxurious interiors, and experience the stunning views from its observation decks. Its sleek design and impressive stature have captured the imagination of people everywhere. At night, the Burj Khalifa transforms into a dazzling spectacle of lights, illuminating the Dubai skyline. It stands as a reminder that we are capable of pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The Burj Khalifa is not just a building, it is a symbol of progress, innovation, and the limitless potential of human creativity. The Burj Khalifa's design is inspired by the Hymenocalyx flower, also known as the spider lily. This beautiful flower, with its long, slender petals radiating from a central core, mirrors the architectural elegance of the tower. The architects drew inspiration from the flower's natural symmetry and grace. Its central spire is surrounded by three wings that gracefully taper as they rise. This tri-petal design not only enhances the building's aesthetic appeal, but also serves a functional purpose. This distinctive shape is not just for aesthetics, it also provides stability against wind loads. The tapering wings reduce the wind forces acting on the structure, making it more stable and resilient. The building's structure is a reinforced concrete core with a steel frame. This combination of materials ensures that the tower is both strong and flexible. This combination provides strength and flexibility, essential for withstanding the extreme forces exerted by wind and seismic activity. The building can sway gently without compromising its structural integrity. The exterior is clad in reflective glass panels that reduce heat gain and give the tower its shimmering appearance. These panels not only enhance the building's energy efficiency, but also contribute to its iconic look, reflecting the sky and surroundings in a dazzling display. The Burj Khalifa holds several world records, the most notable being its height. This architectural marvel is not just a building, it is a symbol of human ambition and ingenuity. Standing tall in the heart of Dubai, it has become an iconic landmark recognized worldwide. At a staggering 828 meters, or 2,717 feet, it is the tallest structure ever built. This incredible height allows it to pierce through the clouds, offering breathtaking views of the city and beyond. To put that into perspective, that is roughly 3 times the height of the Eiffel Tower. Imagine stacking 3 Eiffel Towers on top of each other. That's the sheer magnitude of the Burj Khalifa. Constructing a building this tall presented numerous engineering challenges. The project required innovative solutions and cutting-edge technology to overcome these obstacles. Special concrete mixes were developed to withstand the immense pressure at the base. These mixes had to be incredibly strong and durable to support the weight of the entire structure. Advanced pumping systems were used to transport concrete to the upper floors. These systems had to be efficient and reliable to ensure the smooth progress of construction. The result is a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the engineers and construction workers involved. Their dedication and hard work have created a structure that not only defines the skyline of Dubai, but also inspires awe and admiration around the world. Section 4. A symbol of ambition. The Burj Khalifa is more than just a building. It represents Dubai's ambition and its transformation into a global hub. It is a symbol of human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what is architecturally possible. Its construction required collaboration from around the world, showcasing international cooperation and innovation. The tower's observation decks offer breathtaking panoramic views of the city and beyond, attracting millions of visitors annually. It has become a cultural icon featured in countless films, television shows, and works of art. Section 5. An enduring legacy. The Burj Khalifa stands as an enduring legacy of human ambition and ingenuity. Its innovative design, record-breaking height and cultural significance have cemented its place as a modern architectural marvel. It inspires awe and wonder in all who behold it, reminding us of the boundless potential of human creativity. The Burj Khalifa is a testament to our ability to overcome challenges and achieve the seemingly impossible. It serves as an inspiration to future generations, encouraging them to dream big and reach for new heights.